Good morning. Today, the Muslims around the world will celebrate Eid ul Fitr, which is the festival of breaking a fast after the holy month of Ramadan. This holiday is time for the loved ones to come together to pray, share a meal, and celebrate life's blessings. This is also a chance to reflect on values like service, compassion, and generosity. They show the best of these values all the year long, from supporting local charities to helping the people in need. So today we should all celebrate with the Muslim community and their contributions towards endorsing such important values. Mother's Pride Preschool would like to wish everyone Eid Mubarak.
Eid ul Fitr, also called the festival of breaking the fast, is a religious festival celebrated by Muslims worldwide that marks the end of the month, long dawn to sunset fasting of Ramadan. People offer Eid prayer on this day and offer each other delicacies. The most important lesson people learn through Ramadan and Eid is having patience and helping others. This Eid, instead of shaking hands, let's wish each other from a distance. Instead of coming near and hugging, let's give each other air hugs. Eid is the right time to revive your bonds and connections with those people who don't have enough resources to celebrate this event with clothes as good as your may be. Every year, God gives us a golden chance to create harmony and to cover the difference between upper and lower classes. As said by John Holmes, there is no exercise better than reaching down and lifting people up. Why not this time we spend our time and money on those who really need it? So, take an initiative regardless of the caste, creed, and religion. Just do it for the sake of God. Utilize this day to spread love, joy, peace, and harmony. And you will definitely gain their love, smiles, and priceless prayers. Kindly go and look near your houses if there is any deserving person or needy one, then please help them. Sharing and giving can make this event more memorable than ever. Eid Mubarak. So now we are going to do a rhyme on Eid. अम्मी अब्बू ईद मुबारक, आज तो मज़े उड़ाएंगे। अम्मी ने जो शीर बनाई खूब मज़े से खाएंगे। बिन गले लगाकर एक दूजे को हम सब ईद मनाएंगे।